Hi everyone, today is July 1st and it's around 3:11 p.m. Eastern time. So we'll be going over the charts of all these ETF stocks and but first the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for informational purposes or educational purposes, and past performance of any stock, ETF or investment strategy does not guarantee future results. And you can read this disclaimer before you proceed. The charts of each of the stocks and ETFs, and all these stocks and ETFs, they are on different time frames, but most of the stocks are daily except I think few of them. So let's look at the chart of HIMS. Now here, what we're doing is, in this strategy, QE strategy, we are here to take big gains. Big gains means, like for example, for HIMS, the buy signal went at 10.26, and then it reached the sell signal at 15.5, but it went from the starting point of enter position to the exit position up 67%. Here there was a buy signal which resulted in a 99% return, and now we are waiting for another buy signal. And how to use this strategy, especially let's say if you're somewhere, if you're joining if you're getting the signal right now, let's say on 20th May, what you do is, if it is buy, you just buy. So I'll be reviewing these charts approximately probably weekly, but you get all the signals real time from a Telegram channel, or there are like few other places where I'm publishing it, but Telegram channel is the best way to get real time signals. Okay, so HIMS chart. So we are waiting for a buy signal. It has a sell signal on June 26 at 21.56. It has a sell signal. I'm not shorting it. Usually stocks, I don't short it. I might take some put positions, but for index ETFs, I do take leverage ETF or inverse ETF position when there is a sell signal. Okay, this is CELH. Again, it had a sell signal in May 29th, but it hasn't had a buy signal, but I'm waiting for a buy signal. Costco sell signal, we are waiting for a sell signal here, and it has gone up from 720 to 840 or 880 approximately from the last buy signal. FSLR, it had a sell signal on June 26th, so you see like it's been dropping, and again we are looking for those big trades, and sometimes in small trades there might be either small gains or break even or even small losses. RIVN, the buy signal came when there was like a huge upside move on June 26th, so I'm still long. Google, we had a buy signal on March 18th, and we're now waiting for a sell signal, and then a buy signal will come, and then we can buy it again. NVDA, buy signal since May 3rd. It had a sell signal on April 19th, and then there was a buy signal. So again, it captures all the big moves. PayPal, we are waiting for a buy signal. We had a sell signal last on June 14th. Reddit, it had a buy signal and haven't had a sell signal. Apple, buy signal since May 3rd, and I'm waiting for the sell signal and then to rebuy it again whenever the buy signal fires off. So you see it's capturing all these big moves, but then it might lose some money here. But if you are if you have seen my previous video of how to even if it is a break even or losing trade, you can make some money based on the ATR target or 5% target. Okay. Carvana, we had a buy signal recently on June 20th at 109.85, and from 109.85 it has gone up to 136. SHAK, it has had a sell signal. I'm waiting for a buy signal. INDY ETF, it had a buy signal since May 20th. Gold had a sell signal. Natural gas. Now natural gas is interesting. It's very volatile, so be careful when you trade this. Like in the last sell signal, the move was we could capture 30%. In the recent buy signal, it was a 33% move, and then we had a sell signal. So while going up, you could have captured maybe 5% or 10%, and then wait for the sell signal. SQ had a sell signal, so we are waiting for a buy signal. Ethereum had a sell signal on June 10th, and it's looking to go up, but as soon as the signal comes, I will get a signal, you will get a signal, I'll automatically buy and Ethereum, and same with Bitcoin. So I have the Bitcoin ETF. SMCI sell signal, again we had a huge rally up of 18%, but if you wait it from buy to sell, it will be like a small loss. But again, like if you're making like 5% in the half position, then it is better. Okay, Amazon had a buy signal on June 7th at 184.3, and it has rallied there. So taking partial profits and waiting for the sell signal. AMD sell signal, it's on the 195-minute chart, which is half a day. 195 minutes is half a day, so you can see it's 195 minutes here, it's 195 minutes in the watermark. So waiting for the buy signal. These are some other stocks. Okay, Bitcoin had a sell signal on June 14th at 66k. So it just started recently going up, waiting for the buy signal. SPY haven't had a sell signal since the last one was in April, and then we had a buy signal. So it was here you take a small loss, but you make big gains, big gains. And look at SPY, it's on daily chart, so we have very few signals. Sometimes you're holding for months, but sometimes maybe in few weeks you are reversing the position, or even in few days, depending on the market. So all the daily charts have very few signals, but hourly charts or half-day charts will have more frequent signals. QQQ, again, this is on 195-minute chart, which is half a day. We had 6% rally, then we had 5% rally. Now we have had a sell signal. So although the chart looks up, and but I don't second guess my system. I don't optimize my system based on recent how they're moving, and sometimes you have to take a loss here. You might take a loss here, you might take a loss here, but you will capture all the big moves that happen. IWM had a sell signal since May 23. It's on 195-minute chart. XLF is 98-minute, which is approximately 2 hours. So capturing all the big moves. And right now it's not moving anywhere. So the most recent signal, it'll happen maybe by the end of this trading day, they will get a buy signal. So whenever the signal comes at the end of the day, then it usually my brokers, my system sends the order and it buys the open of next day. SMH, we had a really good move of 14%. So if you're buying SOXL, this 14% is actually approximately 42% move. And then there was a sell signal, and then we had a 5% down. The most you could have made is 5%, but if you're trading SOXS, that's like around 15% gain in that position. Of course, assuming that you take some partial profits. But if you waited until here, you might have made probably half of it. Here, this was, I don't know, maybe approximately the small loss. So again, you're capturing all the big moves, small losses. DIA hasn't been moving much. But we captured this big move. We captured this big move. Captured this big move. It's on an hourly chart, so it flip-flops a lot. So I think that's it. I've covered all the charts. So if you have any questions, let me know.